If you like to cook at home, then a great way of adding flavor and some extra nutrients is by adding herbs and spices. You can get really creative or you can keep it really simple. And it doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, you can grow a lot of these herbs right on your own kitchen or on your windowsill or outside in the summer. Today, I want to show you some really simple tricks, some simple foods that you can start including, how you're going to include it in your meals, even how to grow some of them so that you can start getting a little bit more creative in your own herb garden. So today we're going to talk about growing herbs and including spices for flavorful cuisines. It's a really fun topic. I'm covering lots of different ideas. And really what I want you to get out of this particular blog is just to see some ideas how you can make cooking more fun, more flavorful, and do it a little bit more at home than always relying on takeout or spending extra money. So dive on into the blog, try out one new thing, and then share in the comments with me which one it's going to be. I can't wait to hear from you.